214 Heavy, emergency vehicles are responding. Emergency vehicles are responding.
Okay, now it's, antenna 12, but now we're going to
Cessna 737 Zulu Delta, San Francisco Tower, remain clear of the San Francisco Class Bravo airspace. Contact San Carlos Tower.
Please show all runways closed for the time being, please.